Ooh. This is just going to be a quick speed run video on the S921. We have our Milan M3 GPS attached on top, our stock 2S battery inside, and we're going to give it a couple runs and then we'll do a 3S run, and then we might send it off this jump. Alright, so nothing flashy about this video. This is going to be the 2S slow version on the remote. Again, it's very similar to the 920. Trim it up a little bit. Cars coming left and right. This is full speed, super slow. And we are at 13 miles an hour. So we will bump it up to high. So this is the top speed that you will get out of the box. This is the 2S battery. Very similar to the 920, the S920. Tires are real slick. But even with the different tires and the friction shocks, it handles pretty well. Let's see what our top speed is here. Top speed is 17 miles an hour. So a far cry from the 30 advertised on the box. We'll go ahead and swap out the 3S battery. We're going to do low setting with the 3S. Again, it's about the same as the 2S on high, maybe a little bit quicker. Top speed of 21. So yeah, so it's a little bit quicker than the top speed of the 2S. So this is actually a decent speed. Not bad. Alright, so we'll bump it up to high. Alright, give it a blast. Ooh, a wheelie. So that's something different. So on the dry surface here, you can wheelie it. Yeah, this thing's quick now. Alright, 3S, high setting. Very quick. And very easy to control. And we are at 25. So not bad. Let's get the jump out. I know everyone wants to see this thing go off a jump. And see if we can get some shots.
Alright, let's give it a go. This is 3S, full speed. Wow, this thing flies pretty good. That was a good jump. Here we go, full speed. Oh boy. Ripping through some tall grass and snow. These tires are a little bit smaller than the S920s, but still handles pretty good. I think if you got some more snow, this might have a little bit of a problem in it. Get a couple more jumps here. Woo! Good in the air too. Right off the jump, you don't really have to do much throttle control. kind of just let off the throttle and it'll level out. That was just let off the throttle mid jump. We're getting some good air here. I'm impressed. And you can definitely have some fun with this. See how I corrected that in the air? If you guys like to jump, I don't see who wouldn't, but I think we're gonna bring it more often and make it as part of the video at the end here. Let's try for a front flip. Oh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not good. What do we do? We still got a wobble. Oh! And that is how you break an RC car. Oh no. We literally broke the arm off and lost the pin. Well, I think we're gonna end the... Ooh. There's our dog bone. And I think we're gonna end the video there because it's no bueno. Alright guys, well, that was obviously due to just trying to do something you shouldn't. So that was obviously due to trying to do something that you shouldn't. But overall, I would say this is a good car. I wouldn't try and send it off anything bigger than that. But we'll see you in the next one.